Embarking on one of the most accessible AI-driven side hustles for generating passive income can prove to be a game changer, currently yielding a monthly income of $2,000 and accumulating a total revenue exceeding $100,000. This opportunity is not only financially rewarding, but also serves as a testament to the potential of leveraging artificial intelligence for entrepreneurial endeavors. However, this is just the tip of the iceberg, as I'm excited to share an array of diverse side hustles with you today. What's remarkable about these opportunities is that they can be initiated right away, requiring no prior skills, just the right mindset and consistency. Let's dive into the world of printable junk journals, a fascinating avenue that has been gaining substantial traction. If you're wondering what these journals entail, picture vintage designs that are currently riding the waves of popularity. Etsy sellers in particular have found great success and profitability in offering similar items. The prospect of replicating these designs might seem daunting, but fear not. I'll guide you through the step-by-step process. Before we delve into the intricacies, let's examine some of the top listings. One such listing, a bestseller, offers a plethora of styles and designs for junk journal paper. The consistent influx of new reviews in the feedback section is indicative of a product enjoying steady sales. This pattern holds true for another listing from a different competitor, reiterating the notion that consistent new reviews correlate with strong sales. Now, the pivotal question arises: how can you create your own designs in a similar vein to sell online? Fear not. I've curated different approaches for you. We'll start with the Describe command in Mid-Journey, a powerful tool for generating ideas and designs effortlessly. For instance, if you have a specific design in mind, capturing a screenshot and utilizing Mid-Journey's capabilities can result in the generation of similar designs with just a few clicks. Alternatively, I'll walk you through the process of crafting your own prompt using listing keywords and images. Transitioning to another unique side hustle, old photo colorization opens up a realm of possibilities. This entails breathing new life into vintage photos using AI, a service that remarkably experiences low competition on platforms like Fiverr. The presence of numerous positive reviews across various gigs underscores the demand and profitability of this service. In a similar vein, exploring the world of AI voiceover services on Fiverr reveals a niche with limited results and favorable reviews, hinting at a lucrative opportunity. Now, let's explore the third product recommendation: clip art graphics, with a specific focus on the safari and farm animals niche. Despite a modest product catalog, certain shops have achieved remarkable revenue figures, surpassing the $100,000 mark and maintaining a monthly income of $2,000. The key lies in combining the creative capabilities of ChatGPT and Mid-Journey to generate ideas and transform them into visually captivating graphics. Once the designs are conceptualized, the next step involves isolating images from the background. Utilizing tools such as Canva or Photopea streamlines this process. Upon completing the designs, delivering the finished product to customers becomes seamless through platforms like Google Drive or Dropbox. Creating a simple PDF page with a button that directs customers to the designated folder for accessing and downloading the graphics enhances user experience and convenience. To truly stand out in the competitive market, it's essential to think outside the box. Exploring diverse applications for your designs, such as selling them as physical posters or stickers, can open up additional revenue streams. Leveraging print-on-demand websites like Print allows you to maximize the potential of each design, increasing your chances of financial success. In conclusion, the entrepreneurial landscape is rich with opportunities, and staying abreast of trending products is essential. One such trend worth exploring is the increasing demand for shadow work journals. Surprising, this product category faces minimal competition on platforms like Etsy. In a previous video, I documented the inception of a shadow business from scratch, highlighting the potential for success even without resorting to paid advertising. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and join the mailing list. In the near future, I'll unveil valuable insights on starting a successful YouTube channel without revealing your face or using your voice. If you have any questions or insights to share, feel free to engage in the comments below. Thanks for joining me on this entrepreneurial journey, and best of luck in your endeavors.